Hello, Professor. As we know, we are in a current pandemic situation where the government requires to stay in home and do a social distance. So in this case, right now we are doing a presentation regarding the gym, my project plan gym center via Zoom meeting. So as we all know, our university is one of the university with a big campus of a massive area of nearly 70,000 meters square. And we have a lot of land left for future expansion. And nowadays, our sport facility is growing due to increasing of uh, new incoming student, also the outsider. And for now, we have football patch, tennis court, and basketball court. And the most important sport that still missing is a gym center. That is why I come up with a project of a gym center in our campus. And in this presentation, there will be in this presentation, there will be big three parts that I'm going to cover. The first one will be about the reason why we need this facility and its benefit. And the second one will be about how this construction will be built and its design. The third one will be about the location. Finally, estimation cost. And lastly, the conclusion. So why we need this? Let's move on to the first part of my presentation. Why the gym center among of other sport and how it's going to benefit both student and AUPP. As I already mentioned, our school provide a variety option in sport already. We have tennis court, basketball court, and football stadium one more. And with gym center, it's like a complete puzzle. And the reason why I come up with this project, it's also because of the increasing demand in our campus. So we have to catch up with that and get the benefit from it. But the benefit is not just uh, for AUPP, it is for both school and the student. So how is going to benefit the school? So in terms of economy, there will be more income throughout the membership or ticket and trade that will be charged from the student outsider, but or outsider. But in terms of popularity, it is something else. Our school will be the first one to provide a gym in the campus, and this will attract more students to discover and join our university. So, what about the benefit to student? First of all, time. I bet most of us really want to go to gym after school, but since our campus is really far from the city center, so we don't have much time to go. So we skip. But with a gym, with a campus gym, everything is going to change that idea because all of the students will have an easy access. Just walk in, like a few meters away from the main campus, which won't take us much time because everything is based in campus. So it will save us a lot of time. And this is not just a play for sport, but it also can be a place where the student can hang out too. So now you can hang out in the campus. So this is all I have to say about the reason behind this project and its advantages to the AUPP and the student. Now I will go through the technical part where we'll talk about how this construction will be built and the design of it. So in terms of construction, this will be a steel building. And why steel? Because in term because as a civil engineer, we will always find a way to deduct the weight of building and save space. So this project we will use steel. And yeah, why steel? The reason why we use steel in our gym center project because we want to have more open space in a small building. And steel building can provide that because there are less column, more space, less column, and more open space. And on top of that, steel can be assembled really quickly. the whole frame of the building can be erected in a matter of day or week. It depends on how big or small the construction is. But I can assure that it is way faster than concrete-based building. So we have designed our gym project by AutoCAD drawings. So as you can see from this design, it's a 12 by 20-meter building. And as we can see, most of the space here used for the restroom facility, where we include the shower and the locker where we can store our storage. And behind that, there's a bathroom for public use, and there is one room for the staff where they can keep stuff. And yes, yeah, it's the area for the staff. So our gym center will be a two-story building. Yes, so the ground floor I already talked about it, and this will be the first floor where most of the main area is over there. So all the gym equipment is equipped on the first floor, and we have also have a yoga room located on the back side uh, of the building as well. We will build our gym center next to the tennis court and basketball court. Also, it's also in front of the AUPP football stadium as well. So now I already talked about the design and its feature. So now let's move to the cost estimation, where I will mainly talk about like what is the main thing that will cost and less. So the price of construction of any building is depend on how we build it and the decoration and the design. So with this project, when the whole frame of the building based on steel, so we already save a ton of time and money, but we are going to spend a lot of gym equipment because first of all, it is imported product, so it is expensive, and second, we're looking to provide the best quality gym equipment because with that we can ensure everyone a best experience with. So with our estimation, this project will cost approximately around $100,000, and where most of the money goes to the equipment, followed by the construction of building itself, followed by the interior, and the cost of for labor is the least in our spending for this project. So now this is the end for my this is the end for my presentation concerning the project of the gym center, which is based in our campus. So I would like to summarize that I have mentioned about what reason why we need this project, location and the design, and lastly, the estimation cost for this project. So thank you, Professor, for watching this video, and I hope you will give a feedback. And since it is online video recorded, there will be no Q&A section. So I hope you will have any question and email me. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.